puppy. Can you tell me what some of your favorite things are about Sadie and why somebody should adopt her?
My favorite thing about Sadie is she always likes to be right next to you. Like, if you're looking for a best friend, this is your girl.
Oh, I can see that. And she will even let you like dress her up too. Look at you in your sweet face. She's a little bit of an older gal, but we love, and she's a black dog, and we're all suckers for the black dogs.
And she's small.
She is. Small. She's super small. She's like maybe like 30 pounds. Has she made any messes in her crate? Is she crate trained?
She's crate trained.
And potty trained?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that. We have a perfect little angel, Christmas angel, and she is ready for adoption, and she's looking for her forever home and family. So if you're interested in adopting a super low-key, just companion dog that just wants to be around you and hang out with you and be with you on the couch, sit next to you while you drink your morning coffee, read the morning paper, or just sit next to you and just hear about your day, Sadie is your gal. So adopt little Miss Sadie. She's passing her touch test.
Yeah, no, I like how she just goes.
Look, these are your little tips. Good job.
Good girl. I don't have no treats for you. Look at that sweet face. This is tiny little ears. It's a tiny little ears.
The way she looks at you.
I don't know.
Hi, sweetie. What's that? What's that? What's that? What are you doing? Just a sweet little girl who just hangs out.
She says, I am. I just want loves. I just want the loves.
Oh, she gave you paw.